Hello guys, I think I need to talk about this. If you ask me, I think this is the best time to own a motorcycle in this country, in Kenya. Why do I say this? Looking at things just in the industry in Kenya, there's a huge upsurge or increase in motorcycle ownership in this country. How do I know that? Just a simple eye test looking at how quickly motorcycle units are flying off the shelves of motorcycle dealers. In Nairobi motorbikes, for instance, a dealer that I trust a lot and I promote a lot because that's why I got my two last bikes that I previously owned. You'll be surprised like how quickly units just come and go. Before they're even here, they're already pre-booked and they fly off the shelves. And then the motorcycle communities online, on WhatsApp groups, they keep expanding every single day. And there's a reason for this. And I'll explain. Just hold on to that thought because I need to clarify something. Our goal is to become a one-stop shop for all things motorcycle content here in Kenya and beyond. First, we want to reach 1 million people, but we can't without your help. So subscribe to Join Gitalio family, like and share to promote this video. Thank you very much. Drink some water. So guys, in this video I want to talk about why this is the best moment or period in time to own a motorcycle if you're in Kenya or probably in Africa at large, and also like some of the challenges that come with owning a motorcycle. Yeah, but I am very excited, looking forward. Motorcycle is very practical. It's also a therapy, especially for men, I think, because I don't think we have a lot of female riders yet, but the number is growing. But I'm excited. I just made this video to appreciate. This one should have come at the beginning of this video, by the way. So there is also a development in terms of transport in my country, like given my experience, like I'm talking about this through my experience. So at first, I come from Coast. Okay, I come from a county called Taita Taveta. It's from Coast. And I work in Nairobi, but I keep going home from time to time because I have got some investment there. I have family there, like my mom, my sisters are located there. So I have to travel there, and it's like almost 400 kilometers, 350, 300 something kilometers. It's not far, but it's also not close. So I'll tell you a story, guys. Back in the day, when I used to go home, it used to be a struggle. Like I have to first plan. I really have to plan because I have to see how I can get an Uber from here to the bus station. And then so I have to park like a day before something. And then the buses themselves, they used to be very limited, especially during festive seasons, like towards December holidays. You can literally miss out if you don't book early in advance. And when you go there, it's a matter of squeezing and pushing, like fighting and scrambling for just to get a space or to get into the bus. It used to be horrible. And then you get in the bus, it's hot, there's no AC, the seats are dirty, like you have people screaming, and it never used to be a nice environment to travel in. And then there's no even leg space when you get in there and you sit. It's not comfortable. And you used to take 6-7 hours to get to my place because there are a lot of stoppages and stuff. So you can imagine when I get home, I used to get tired, like I used to get frustrated. That's the evolution. And that's not very far from today, like it's not a very long time ago. And then now, China happened. Like China got into some kind of contractual agreement, like business partnership with my country, Kenya. There was this Belt and Road initiative where China was sponsoring a lot of African countries, like building roads for them, giving them loans for roads, then they build and then they run for some time and then they leave it for you guys to continue with the ownership. And I happen to benefit a lot. Like most of the people, they don't see the SGR, the standard gauge railway train, road transport in Kenya as beneficial, but for me personally, like I have benefited a lot from that. Transport became way more clean, timely, like I didn't have to fight for seats, and the booking system very orderly, very comfortable. By the way, I have this funny video and an encounter with the Kenyan police inside the train, and we were traveling. We were going to Mombasa from Nairobi, and we were with some drunk guys, and this police came in to arrest the guy, and what unfolded is just funny. But these are some of the things that I encountered. Just watch the video, then I'll tell you something about it.
Amekujiwa, lazima wangekuja. Under BSS FS ama ID
Namuuliza kama ana shida na ngoma, akasema as long as no one has complained around us, iko sawa.
I load network.
But no one has complained, so everyone is okay.
Is he sleeping?
No. I took some
deputy.
I'll be his deputy.
Can I talk to you as a friend, not as a person?
Yes.
And ukwanda ID sindio?
How do you search?
Kiwi. Always search.
Now, after the SGR, I need, after the SGR, of course, even now I still use it, especially when I'm going with my family. But I can comfortably say after SGR, since after I got my bike now, when I'm going home alone, the bike is way more efficient and effective, because I can just wake up anytime and be like, I'm going home. You understand? So that's something also I couldn't do with the SGR or with the train. But now with the bike, like I go home so oftenly. In fact, I run some businesses there, and I can just pop up anytime. And so that helps, by the way, with the business ownership, so that like the staff there and the guys, they almost never certain like when the boss is around and stuff like that. And it helps so that like they are on toes, they're always working, they're doing very well. It kind of helps with management issues and stuff. But anyways, the most important use case is that freedom, that accessibility and flexibility. Like you can easily go to where you want to be anytime, and fuel efficiency also, you save on a lot of money and stuff like that. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button please, and also hit the notification button so that every time we upload a video like this one, you get notified. And it also helps YouTube algorithm to show this video to many other people. As you can see, we're growing, so please subscribe. As I've realized, 85% of you guys who watch are not actually subscribers, so please become a member today. Thank you very much. See you guys on the next one. Bye.